Today is the day you can now buy the OnePlus 6T. Follow the link in the description below to learn more. Our experience so far has been very positive. Expect our review very soon. Samsung plans to bring new pressure sensitivity features to their new phones in the future. Your newer iPhones also may seem to be getting performance throttling features with the new update, and according to a very trusted source, LG is unveiling their foldable smartphone at CES. I'm Jaime Rivera. Definitely welcome to November, which I am hoping does not turn into Tech-vember. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for either a Spotify family plan or a Google Home Mini, and I know that these are not related, but they actually are, as Spotify has a deal where you get a free Google Home Mini if you have a family plan. You can bet that the moment I read this on Pocketnow.com, I immediately made my order and then I came to film the video. So look at the description, it's a limited time offer. Now let's talk about WhatsApp, as for those of you that remember, there were news months ago where the company's CEO, Facebook's CEO, was forcing the WhatsApp executive team to figure out a way to monetize the service. And it's something that the company has been reluctant to do ever since its beginning, but now apparently they've figured it out. In those statuses for WhatsApp that are pretty much like Instagram stories, aka like snaps, apparently there will be advertisement there. I'm just glad I actually stay away from that because I have enough with Instagram stories, but stay tuned. Now let's move the spotlight over to LG, as we've got famous tipster and buddy of mine, Evan Blass, confirming that there will be a foldable tablet being announced at CES. LG usually uses CES for a lot of their announcements, but we haven't really seen anything substantial when it comes to mobile lately. So I'm really looking forward to this, as they could beat competitors to the punch, but there's only really one way to find out. Now let's move the spotlight over to iPhones, and I'm talking about last year's iPhones, iPhone 10, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus. You probably noticed that there is a new software update in 12.1 that brings the whole throttling concept of a old battery to this batch of new phones, and that's rather interesting. I mean, I know they're a year old, and I get it, but yeah, for those of you that can still buy an iPhone 8 and 8 Plus right now, it's kind of an irony that you already get throttling options, like seriously, so just buyers beware. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with Samsung patents and the probable future of Galaxies, as we've seen the company patent a ton of things and then launching these patents on the Galaxy A lineup, and now we have some new patents where we see pressure sensitivity on Galaxy phones. Now, bear in mind, this is not new. We've seen it on HTC phones, we've seen it on the Pixel phones, and we also have it on Sony phones now. So yeah, apparently this feature will come to Galaxy phones. And just for you to know, I mean, ever since the Galaxy S7 Edge, there has been the capability to test this, but Samsung never really launched the product. So yeah, pressure sensitivity, being able to squeeze your phone and getting more features. In the comments down below, let us know what you think. Is this something that you like or that you don't like? Because in my case, I honestly rarely use it, but it's always great to have an extra button to a certain degree. Leave us a comment down below, we'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com. Subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.